Imagine having only $100 in your pocket and wondering if investing is even worth it. Many people in America believe investing is only for rich people with thousands of dollars sitting in the bank. They see stock market videos online, hear about wealthy investors making money, and immediately think, I can't do that because I don't have enough money. But the truth is, one of the biggest investing myths is believing you need a lot of money to start. In 2026, investing has become more accessible than ever before. Thanks to modern apps, fractional shares, ETFs, and beginner-friendly platforms, almost anyone can start investing with small amounts of money. The real challenge is not starting with too little money. The real challenge is avoiding the mistakes that destroy beginner investors before they ever build wealth. In this video, we're going to talk about how to start investing in the US with just $100, and the top 5 mistakes new investors make that you absolutely need to avoid. By the end of this video, you'll understand how small investments can grow over time, and how to build smarter investing habits from the beginning. First, let's talk about mindset, because mindset is where investing truly begins. Many beginners underestimate the power of starting small. They think $100 is meaningless compared to wealthy investors managing millions. But every wealthy investor once started somewhere. The first investment is not important because of the amount itself. It's important because it changes your behavior. When you start investing, even with a small amount, you begin learning financial discipline, patience, and long-term thinking. You stop seeing money only as something to spend and begin seeing it as something that can grow. Now let's answer the big question directly. Can you really invest with just $100 in America? Absolutely. In fact, many investment apps today allow people to start with even less. Some platforms allow fractional investing, meaning you can buy small portions of expensive stocks instead of needing enough money to purchase an entire share. This completely changed investing for beginners. For example, imagine a company stock costs $1,000 per share. Years ago, someone with only $100 could not invest in that company at all. But now, fractional investing allows you to buy just a portion of the share. This means small investors can still participate in major companies and long-term market growth. Now let's talk about one of the smartest ways beginners invest with small amounts. ETFs. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, allow investors to buy collections of many different stocks together in one investment. Instead of putting all your money into one company, ETFs spread risk across multiple businesses. This diversification is extremely valuable for beginners because it reduces the danger of depending on one stock alone. For someone starting with $100, diversified ETFs are often considered safer and simpler than trying to pick individual winning stocks. Many beginners lose money because they chase hype stocks instead of focusing on long-term investing fundamentals. Now let's discuss the first major mistake new investors make. Mistake number 1 is trying to get rich quickly. This is one of the biggest financial traps on the internet today. Social media constantly promotes overnight success stories, risky trades, and unrealistic profits. Beginners see people claiming they turned $100 into thousands overnight and think investing should work that way. But real investing usually looks very different. Long-term wealth is often built slowly through consistency, patience, and compound growth. People chasing fast money often take huge risks they don't fully understand. They invest emotionally, follow trends blindly, and panic when things go wrong. Sometimes they make quick profits temporarily, but many eventually lose money because they focus on gambling behavior instead of intelligent investing. Now let's talk about compound growth, because this is the real secret behind long-term investing. Compound growth means your money earns returns, and then those returns begin earning returns too. Over time, this creates exponential growth. Even small investments become powerful when given enough time. Imagine investing $100 initially, and then consistently adding money every month for years. The combination of consistency and time can become life-changing. Now let's discuss mistake number 2, investing without understanding risk. Many beginners buy investments simply because someone online recommended them. They don't understand what the company does, how volatile the investment is, or why prices move. Then, when prices fall, panic begins immediately. Smart investing requires understanding that markets naturally move up and down. Volatility is normal. One important mindset shift is realizing that investing is not about avoiding all risk. It's about managing risk intelligently. Diversification, long-term investing, and disciplined behavior help reduce unnecessary risk. Now let's talk about where beginners can actually start investing in the U.S. Many modern brokerage apps allow easy account setup directly from a smartphone. Beginners can open accounts, deposit small amounts, and begin investing within minutes. Some accounts are designed for retirement investing, while others are standard brokerage accounts for general investing goals. Now here comes mistake number 3, emotional investing. Emotions destroy more investors than bad investments themselves. When markets rise quickly, beginners become excited and greedy. When markets crash, fear takes over. Unfortunately, many beginners buy during hype and sell during panic, which is exactly backwards. Imagine someone investing $100 during a strong market rally. Prices rise quickly and excitement grows. Then suddenly the market drops 15%. Instead of staying calm, they panic and sell everything at a loss. Later the market recovers, but they already left. This cycle happens constantly because emotional decisions replace long-term thinking. One strategy many experienced investors use is dollar-cost averaging. This means investing a fixed amount consistently, regardless of market conditions. For example, investing $100 every month. This removes emotional timing decisions and creates discipline over time. Now let's discuss mistake number 4, ignoring fees and hidden costs. Small fees may seem harmless initially, but over years they can quietly destroy investment growth. Some investment funds charge high management fees. Some platforms charge unnecessary trading fees. Smart investors pay attention to low-cost investing, because even small fee differences become huge over decades due to compound growth. This is one reason low-cost ETFs and index funds became extremely popular in America. They allow diversified investing with relatively low fees compared to many actively managed funds. Now let's talk about one of the most important concepts beginners must understand: time in the market. Many people try to perfectly predict market movements. They wait for the perfect time to invest. But the truth is, consistently staying invested over long periods usually matters far more than trying to perfectly time the market. Imagine two investors. One starts investing small amounts immediately and continues consistently for years. Another spends years waiting for the perfect market conditions. Often, the consistent investor ends up far ahead simply because compound growth had more time to work. Now let's discuss mistake number 5, not having a financial foundation before investing aggressively. Investing is powerful, but basic financial stability still matters first. If someone is drowning in high-interest credit card debt or has zero emergency savings, aggressive investing may create unnecessary stress. Unexpected emergencies can force people to sell investments during bad market conditions. This is why many financial experts recommend building emergency savings before heavily investing in risky assets. Financial stability creates confidence and flexibility. Now let's talk about realistic expectations, because this is extremely important. Investing with $100 will not instantly make someone rich. But the goal is not instant wealth. The goal is building habits that create future wealth over time. Small beginnings often create massive long-term results when combined with consistency. One reason many Americans fail financially is because they underestimate the importance of starting early. Time is one of the most powerful factors in investing. Someone investing small amounts consistently from age 25 may build significantly more wealth than someone investing much larger amounts starting at age 45. Compound growth rewards patience. Now imagine this scenario. A person invests $100 initially and then adds $200 monthly into diversified investments for decades. Over time, investment growth begins accelerating because returns compound year after year. Eventually, the portfolio itself may start generating substantial growth even without massive contributions. Now let's discuss another beginner trap: comparing yourself to others. Social media makes this problem worse. People constantly compare portfolios, profits, and lifestyles. Some investors feel discouraged because they can only invest small amounts initially. But comparison destroys progress. What matters most is consistency relative to your own situation. Now let's quickly review the top 5 mistakes new investors make. Mistake number 1: trying to get rich quickly. Mistake number 2: investing without understanding risk. Mistake number 3: emotional buying and selling. Mistake number 4: ignoring fees and costs. Mistake number 5: investing aggressively without financial stability. Avoiding these mistakes alone can dramatically improve long-term investing success. Now let's talk about the emotional benefits of investing, because this matters too. Investing changes how people think about money. Instead of only trading time for income, people begin building assets. They start thinking about future freedom instead of only surviving monthly bills. Even small investments create psychological momentum toward wealth building. And remember this: investing success is often boring. Social media glorifies fast profits and exciting trades, but long-term wealth usually comes from simple habits repeated consistently. Regular investing, patience, diversification, ignoring panic, staying disciplined during market ups and downs. The truth is simple: you do not need thousands of dollars to begin investing in America in 2026. You can start with small amounts. What matters most is education, consistency, and avoiding emotional mistakes. Your first $100 investment may not change your life overnight, but it can change your mindset forever. And that mindset shift can eventually lead to long-term financial freedom, because every large investment portfolio once started with a first small step. If you found this video helpful, like the video, comment how much you would start investing with, and subscribe for more finance content. Your investing journey starts today.